Democratic Students Alliance of Manipur, Desam, has issued a strong warning to the principal of Dhanamanjuri College Teachers Education (Dmcte) to not allow newly recruited B.Ed M.Ed teachers who do not possess B.Ed or M.Ed degree. Speaking to media at its Kwakethil office, Desam President Somoje said the authorities recently gave postings to 4 assistant professors recruited on a contractual basis at Dmcte. The 4 contractual teachers do not possess a degree of B.Ed or M.Ed, adding that it drew the attention of Dmcte principal to look into the matter. Somoje further said a contractual teacher cannot be a part-time faculty in a professional institutions like the National Council for Teachers Education (NTCE) as per NCTE 2014. Unfortunately, the newly recruited 4 contractual teachers were given postings in professional institutions like DM College of Teacher Education on March 15th. Asserting that a good education system is key to healthy society, the Desam President questioned the Chief Minister on how long he can tolerate such irregularities in the education sector. Desam also demanded removal of the Education Director and Commissioner.
कोई डायरेक्टर मनी कमिश्नर की मतलब तो कोई स्टार समा कोई तौजरी असिगुम स्टार से मसी डायरेक्टर मत कमिश्नर से लाल है ना खलबा अब तार गदी खुदम गलो ना नुमित हुमनी की मनुंग दा मसी संको पिगे दबनी असिगुम बा आरानबा ऑर्डर असि द थोइबो ओजा सिंग सिना डीएमसीटी दा जॉइन तौदना ओजा ओ हिंथि बता रगदी 2019-20 के सेशन दा थेंगनखिबा अदुगुंबा खुदुम थिबदु अमोना खोदना थेंगनगनी मदुना तमना मरोय बे स्टेट असि की टीचर एजुकेशन इंस्टीट्यूशन से अमुगना डी रिकॉग्नाइज तौकिबा याबगी ओथोप लई अदना असिगुंबा ओजा सिंग से मसी जॉइन तौबदा मसी की प्रिंसिपल असिना अयाबा पिरोय दबनी